Hi, Best Buds. It's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you joined me today. Today, we're on day number 9 of our 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. But first, let's have our shout out to Lori, Julie, Shirley, Carol, Marta, Vicky. Yes, I made it myself. Sherry, ex-Cajun Grandma, and Heather. I appreciate each and every one of you. Today, we're going to make a file folder style mini journal. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to get yourself a piece of cardstock. And this one is about 6 inches by just a little over 6 inches. So it's not quite a rectangle. A square. It's really a rectangle. And we're going to fold it end to end here. And we're going to crease it. So it's going to look just like this. All right. So I need to go ahead and ink this up right here. Now I want to round the corners, so I'm going to bring in my corner rounder, and I'm just going to do that quickly here. And then let's decorate this. I have got some things here. Let's see what we have got. Here we go. I've got some coffee dye tracing paper. I have got some music paper, and I have an adorable heart, and it says, with best Christmas wishes, with best Christmas wishes. Now I think I'm going to do a little collage right there. So let's get our Tombow glue, and let's go ahead and let's put some glue on here, and right here, and then let's get some glue. Let's see, I inked that side, not this side. Get some glue right here. We're just collaging up just a little bit here, just to give our little heart a little decoration, and to break up that it's kind of a busy cover. Just to break it up a little, I'm just going to add some more glue here, because obviously it needs a little bit more glue. Just a little bit. There we go. Now, let's get our heart. Now, let's see here. Do we want a little bit of lace down on here? I don't know if we do. It's not going to be that much. Let's see. Possibly just to give it a little color. There we go. Maybe something like that. I'll have to add a little hot glue to this, I think, so that we can keep going here. I'm going to put it at a little bit of an angle. Maybe something like that. There we go. Now there's our front. So let's work on doing maybe a little tab right here. I think a tab would be so cute. So let's get this folded over, and this is actually 2.5 by not quite 1.5. And I'm going to go ahead and round the corners where it's folded to just give it a little bit of a tag shape. Even though it's not out of a tag punch, it does have that feeling of a tab, and not a tag, a tab. And then I want to go ahead and, let's see, I think I like this side best. So it opens up this way. I'm going to put a hole right here at the bottom, right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to attach it. I want to attach it to the back or to the front? I think I want to attach it to the back. And I think I'm going to have to use hot glue so that it will go ahead and grab a hold and get stuck stuck on there quickly. Hopefully that's straight. There we are. There's our tab. That's pretty cute, right? I have a little light bulb safety pin and a little tree, Christmas tree ornament, and our charm, I should say. It's a charm. I think I will attach it right here. Just like this. I wish I'd made that tab a little shorter, but it'll be all right. There we go. So cute, right? Now inside, what I would like to do is I have this picture of Santa, and I just think he's adorable. So I'm going to, not crease him, but I'm just going to turn him up like this and go ahead and round the corners. And the reason why I'm doing this is because if I did one layer, it might just really chew it up. So I'm just going to, he just fits on there, just perfectly. So I'm going to apply my glue onto him. And let's just lay him right here, just like this. Okay. And I don't know, did I want that on there? I thought I might want that on there. I found it over there. No, I don't. So maybe let's stick him right there, just for some added something right there. Okay. And then I have this little, I guess you could call it a label, just to wish you a bright and happy Christmas, December 25th. I thought I would like that right there, and I'm just going to glue 3 sides because I'm going to use this for a pocket right down here at the bottom, just like that. And I thought this little Merry Christmas tag, or what are those things called? Oh, I started in heaven. I don't remember. Okay, you know what they're called, you know, ticket. It's a ticket, guys. Okay, it fits in perfectly right there. And so that looks really cute. Now, I have some papers here. I have some coffee dyed paper. I have some book page. And I have a printable. Okay, like that. And I thought that would be nice for the pages inside, but I do want to round the corners here. So let's do that, round the corners. And we're not going to sew this. We're going to bring in our stapler, and we're just going to staple these pages right in to our little book. And I'm just going to, now let's see, that's going to, yeah, okay. I'm thinking where the teeth are going to be. They're going to be on the outside, and that's going to be all right. So they're on the outside right here. Whoopsie. We've got, oh, here we go. We've got our pages all stapled in. So that's pretty cute. That's pretty doggone cute right there. Now you know how I don't like these little teeth of the stapler. So what I want to do is I want to put this right over that. So I've torn it and I've inked it, and this is actually 3.5 by about 1.5, and hopefully I'm quick and I can add some hot glue on here and just fold it over. And I don't want to do it so far that I run into my other. There, let's do it that way. I didn't want to run into my, should have started at the other end. There we go, like that. And then let's do it on this side, and I need to start at this end and put it around. Yeah. Okay, let's do that. So get our glue on here. Put it right where it's folded. Fold it around. Now let's see here. That kind of bugs me right there. How can I fix that? How can I fix that? Maybe by adding a little bit of lace. Do I have any more of that lace? How about we cut it in two then? Maybe like that. Put a little bit of lace there and a little bit of lace here. That will fix that. Perfect, just perfect. So, because I really don't like how that turned out, I should have paid more attention when I was putting that on. I'm just going to turn it over and push it on my glass mat. Oh yeah, that just fixes it right up, guys. That just fixes it. And I kind of like that extra red on there. There we go. Oh my gosh, yes, I love that. Oh my goodness. Do we want any of these on here? I think we shall put some on, maybe right down this way. And so I'm going to lift them off. These are stuck pretty good. These are stuck really well. Oh, here, came right off on their little piece. Oh, well, that's perfect. That's exactly what it needed. Oh, you guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.